Installing the WooCommerce plugin in WordPress is a straightforward process and can be done directly from your WordPress dashboard. Here's how. Access your WordPress dashboard. Log into your WordPress admin area by navigating to your website's domain followed by /wp-admin. Navigate to Plugins. Once logged in, go to the Plugins section located in the left-hand sidebar of the dashboard. Click on Add New. In the Plugins section, click on the Add New button at the top of the page. Search for WooCommerce. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and hit enter. The official WooCommerce plugin should appear as the first result. Install WooCommerce. Click the Install Now button next to the WooCommerce plugin. WordPress will automatically download and install the plugin for you. Activate WooCommerce. After installation, click the Activate button to activate the WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress site. Setup Wizard. Once activated, WooCommerce will launch a Setup Wizard to guide you through the initial setup process, including configuring basic settings, creating essential pages, and setting up payment methods. Customize and configure. After completing the Setup Wizard, you can customize your WooCommerce settings further by navigating to WooCommerce settings in your WordPress dashboard.